to me in the night hours. I will wait for you, and I can't sleep 'cause thoughts devour, thoughts of you consume. Ooh, 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 ooh. I can't help but love you, even though I try not to. I can't help but want you. I know that I'd die without you. Stay with me a little longer. I will wait for you. And shadows creep and won't grow stronger, deeper than the truth. Ooh, 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 ooh. I can't help but love you, even though I try not to. I can't help but want you. I know that I'd die without you. I can't help but be wrong in the dark, 'cause I'm overcoming this war of hearts. I can't help but want oceans to part, 'cause I'm overcoming this war of hearts. I can't help but love you, even though I try not to. I can't help but want you. I know that I'd die without you. I can't help but be wrong in the dark, 'cause I'm overcoming this war of hearts. I can't help but want oceans to part, 'cause I'm overcoming this war of hearts. Ooh, 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 ooh.
One. Hey, well done, Charlotte. Louise, what did you think?
Charlotte, you are really strange, but in the best possible way. You've got such a unique voice. It's just really odd, and I love it. That was definitely my favourite performance of yours so far in the competition. So definitely taking steps in the right direction. So keep working hard and keep working on that. You've got such a gorgeous soft vocal. It's like almost haunting. It's really breathy and absolutely stunning. I love the song choice. I don't know it myself, but I thought it was a perfect song choice for you and your voice. It fitted so well. I think moving forward now, what I'd say is just work on your breathing a little bit. Because you have got a really breathy voice, your breathing technique needs to be that much stronger, because you're losing a lot of breath when you sing naturally, because that's the tone that you've got. So definitely work on breathing, you know, do some breathing exercise, work on getting more air into your stomach to get it out through your mouth, because some of the phrasing, you were kind of stopping in the middle of a phrase and taking a breath. But apart from that, I thought the vocal was really lovely, so you should be proud of that. Well done.
Kelly?
I love that you're taking on these really weird song choices, because you've got this really eerie sort of tone, and I think there are so many songs that your vocal could sort of like get lost in. So you're being really clever in the song choices because you're showing off your personality, but you're also utilising the songs in the way that it will really showcase your tone to the best of your ability. And you're really sort of like standing forward now in this season because of the choices that you're making with your songs. I really liked it. I can imagine it being recorded with some harmonies behind it and it having this really sort of just like this eerie, weird vibe, which is quite specific to certain people. And I loved it. It was really clever. Well done.
Yeah, Charlotte, we've seen a very, very different you this time round, especially the last 2 weeks. And all I can say is that you're definitely heading in the right direction. I know you haven't had a great week this week in terms of how you feel and stuff, and you probably really doubted this, but I can only be honest and say I think is your best I've seen of you. I definitely think this is your lane, this is where you need to stay, this is where you're going to stand out. And if I'm honest, it was one of the best performances I've seen this week, one of the best vocals. I thought it was spot on to where you needed to be. That uniqueness, everything about it. So be proud of what you've done, because this was a fab vocal and a fab performance. So well done to you.